Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you and your loved ones are safe, healthy, and doing well during this time and that your day is starting off pretty good. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my David's tea subscription box. This is new for 2021. I actually filmed this footage back in January. I'm just getting some time to finally edit it and share it with you guys. So if you'd like to know more about David's tea subscription box, aka also called the Tea Tasting Club, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea and let's get started. The Tea Tasting Club is a tea subscription box from David's Tea. I got so excited when I saw the email from David's Tea introducing this subscription box. I instantly ordered as soon as I could. I was so excited. Now for this, you receive new seasonal teas as well as exclusive teas, and you get up to 8 blends per box, which is just about over 50 cups of tea. You also get exclusive access to the Tea Club community on Facebook, and yeah, you get to try all the delicious teas. You do get 4 boxes per year, which means you get 1 box per season for a single payment of $140. Each single box is $35 Canadian, and this also includes free shipping. The value is $220. Now I'm going to show you what was inside my January box for the winter season. So the first item I pulled out is this lovely little brochure book, and this was so cute. There's crossword puzzle in here. You have brewing instructions for all the tea. There's some David's tea wisdom and some facts, and then they'll also overview the different teas that are inside the book, and you also have a 20% off coupon, which I thought was really exciting. So I love this book. I actually kept it and have it in my little tea cupboard. The box that the David's tea subscription box comes in is so fun. I love the color. I love how it has different popular tea names on it, and then inside it has steeping instructions as well as a crossword puzzle too. Now, the next item that I got really excited about was this beautiful tin, exclusive for the Tea Tasting Club, and it's in that perfect David's Tea teal color. And then, of course, we get a ton of tea. So the first tea is one that I always have in my tea cupboard. It is Organic Cold 911. I love this tea when I'm sick, but I also enjoy it in the evening time. It is such a delicious blend of tea. There is peppermint, juniper berries, and eucalyptus leaves in this delicious blend, and it's so good. I cannot recommend this enough. Also in the David's Tea booklet that came with the tea subscription box, they have a cold 911 steam bath recipe, which I thought was so cool. So basically you just need the tea, hot water, a large bowl, perfect spoon, and 2 tea towels. The next tea I pulled out was Japanese Sencha, and it is such a delicious green tea. It's very refreshing, revitalizing, and just so good. It's a very delicate tea, and definitely you want to make sure you're brewing it at the perfect temperature, and there is some caffeine in it, so if you do need a nice caffeine boost, it definitely has that. And just the flavor, it has kind of a grassy kind of taste and a crisper texture to it. And this is so good. This is one I actually ordered more of. I thought it was so delicious. So I love the jasmine tea, the Silk Dragon Jasmine. And this one was one I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to order this one too. The next tea I pulled out was Morning Detox, which is a new tea from David's Tea and one I hadn't tried yet, so I was really curious about how it was going to taste. It has apple cider vinegar powder as well as turmeric and ginger, and I'm a huge fan of any kind of tea that's really good for digestion. So I was really excited to try this. I did really enjoy the flavor. It was a really nice tea. Also, it's caffeine free, so you can really have it, in the morning to kickstart your metabolism. But I think it also tastes good in the evening too. And also, how cute is this guinea pig mug? I love this. This was a gift from my friend Tiara, and it just warms my heart. Up next, we have Organic Lemon Lullaby, another tea that I hadn't tried before. Inside this tea, you have Rooibos tea as well as lemongrass, valerian root, and fresh lemon oil. I love lemon flavored anything, desserts, tea, you name it. I love it. I also just love adding lemon into my water. So I was a huge fan of this tea. I also think it would be an amazing iced tea. The next tea is called Sunny Sea, and I've had this before. I really love it iced. I definitely recommend it. It's such a delicious treat. Inside it, you have some delicious vitamin C. Of course, you have orange, lemon, and carrots, and it's a lovely blend of herbal deliciousness. And this is good hot too, but I just prefer having it iced. It literally tastes kind of like a juice. Like it's just so refreshing and good. Now, I didn't add any additional sweetener to mine, but you definitely could add some agave, honey, or white sugar, and it definitely probably will bring out the flavor even more. The next tea I really wanted to try, but I can't have dairy, but it's called Salted Caramel Oolong. I actually ended up making this as a latte for my husband. It like smells so delicious, you guys. So in it, you obviously have the delicious caramel, you have the oolong, as well as sugar cubes. And actually in David's Tea little booklet, they do have a signature recipe for this. It is a latte that features some caramel syrup, frothed chocolate milk, a little drizzle or cocoa powder too, and oh, it just sounds amazing. The next tea I pulled out is called Strawberries and Cream, which is also a new tea. It's an incredibly sweet and refreshing strawberry and cream flavored tea with a milky oolong kind of flavor to it. This has a medium caffeine and this smelled amazing. I'm trying to remember because I had this back in January, but I'm pretty sure it had dairy in it and I was enjoying it, and then I was reading in like the ingredients of it and then I realized there was dairy, so I didn't end up finishing it, but I really wanted to. It was so delicious, guys, like packed with flavor, and oh, it was just, oh, it's amazing. The next tea we have is a herbal tea called Sweet Tart. I love the name of this. I have had this tea before and it's really good. It has the cutest little sugar hearts in it that are like pink, and it definitely makes me think of Valentine's Day. It's just so sweet. I think it actually was originally released with a Valentine's Day collection. In it, you have rosebud, hibiscus, cherry, and again, this could be delicious ice, but it also tastes really good hot too. And it has this beautiful kind of papa color to it, and I'm enjoying it in my David's tea mug. And that is it for everything that was in my first box from the Tea Tasting Club. I had so much fun opening this box up with little Alice and trying out all the teas. I cannot wait for the next box to come. It actually should be arriving like any day because we're in the spring season now, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what is inside. All the teas I mentioned in this video, if they're available, I'll make sure to leave them linked down below. They are affiliate links, so if you do use them, thank you so much. It really does help me out. I'll also leave a link for the Tea Tasting Club subscription so you guys can find it if you want to take part in it. Anyway, you guys, I wish you a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now, you guys.